Hi, welcome back to 11 Parts. So today I'll be showing you how to fix the net on the embroidery hoop for people that don't know how to do that. So you unscrew the embroidery hoop, then place the net over the hoop. Embroidery hoop, the part that doesn't have a screw, do that, then you place it over it to sit fine, just like this. Place the outer embroidery hoop that has the screw. Now tighten it a bit. You have to tighten it a bit so you'll be able to pull the net a bit firm, removing the creases. You remove the creases all around it. Just do it that way all round. Keep checking out for excess fabric that won't make the embroidery hoop tight. Keep checking it that way, then screw tighter so it will be firm by the time you want to start your beading. Remember that, check, confirm like that. So thank you. Move on to the next class, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube.